In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset mouse pointer settings to default in Windows 11 and Windows 10. If your cursor looks strange, feels too fast or too slow, or you've changed a few settings and want everything back to how it was originally, resetting to default is the quickest fix. I'll walk you through it slowly so you can follow along on your own computer. First, open the Settings app. The easiest way to do this is by pressing the Windows key on your keyboard and then clicking the small gear icon, or by searching for Settings in the Start menu. Once Settings is open, look for the section called Devices in Windows 10, or Bluetooth and Devices in Windows 11. Go ahead and click that. Inside this section, find and select Mouse. This is where Windows keeps all of the basic mouse options, like scroll speed and primary button selection. On this screen, you'll see a link or an option that says Additional Mouse Options or Additional Mouse Settings. This usually opens a small classic-style window, separate from the main Settings app. Click that option. A new window will appear titled Mouse Properties. This is where we're going to reset things. At the top, you'll see several tabs such as Buttons, Pointers, Pointer Options, Wheel, and possibly Hardware. Let's start with the Buttons tab. If you've changed which button is the primary one or adjusted double-click speed, you can reset these by returning the primary button to left and adjusting the double-click slider back to the middle position. Next, click on the Pointers tab. This is where you might have installed a custom cursor theme or changed individual pointer icons. To restore everything here, look for the drop-down menu labeled Scheme. Open it and choose Windows Default, System Scheme, or any option that clearly indicates the default. Once you've selected it, click the Use Default button if it's available, then click Apply. This immediately restores all pointer icons to the standard Windows look. Now, move to the Pointer Options tab. If your mouse feels too sensitive or laggy, this is usually where the changes happened. Set the pointer speed slider back to the center if it's been moved, and uncheck any advanced options you don't recognize, unless you know you need them. When you're finished adjusting these tabs, click Apply, then OK. Your mouse pointer settings are now reset to the default configuration. If something still feels off, you can reopen these menus and fine-tune from this clean starting point.